Hello everyone, I'm Anija Jing and I'm a founder of Science Data Science. Today, we are diving into a hot topic that's been buzzing around thanks to the rapid advancement of the AI. So I'm going to discuss today AI is reducing unemployment by creating more jobs. Is it sound surprising, right? So I know some of you might be as skeptical, but stick with me. I have got some exciting insights to share with all of you. Now, so let's rewind a bit, right? So every major technical shift like the Industrial Revolution or the Internet boom, right, has sparked fears of job loss. But history shows us something incredible. Innovation does not eliminate jobs. It creates entirely new industries and opportunities. Think about it, roles like social media manager, application development did not exist 20 years ago, but today it exists, right? So now look at AI today. It's a handling repetitive tasks like customer service through chatbots or streaming line the data analysis. What does this mean for us? So it frees up times for human to focus on creative, strategic, emotionally intelligent tasks. Things machines just can't replicate. Okay. So here is a game changer. AI is projected to create 133 million new roles by 2030 across industries like uh, tech, healthcare, education, and even entertainment. If we add agriculture domain as well, it's nothing wrong. There are many new roles and job openings are there in each and every domain. So according to Job Forum, as I told you, there will be the jobs creating by 2030. It will be 133 million new roles. So think about the titles like AI ethics officer, AI assisted therapist, or personal AI tutors. These are these aren't the futuristic, but they are emerging now. So how? Of course, there is a question to scale. To seize these opportunities, we need to focus on upscaling, rescaling. Thankfully, program and training platforms are booming. And companies are stepping up to help employees transition into these new roles. Like people are providing like the many academies and the online courses are available. If you want to switch your career into the data science, you only need to upskill. You don't need to let's say if you are working in a healthcare domain, you are working in the agriculture department, you are not you don't have any background in the tech department. Still, you can learn the AI and you can transit your career into the AI. And your previous experience is also like will be valid when you are entering into the AI domain because you will have a high chances to get the job if you are already working in the AI. If you upskill your skills in AI, you may get the as a data analyst, AI researchers job role in your healthcare domain. So this is easy to like transit into the AI even if you don't have any AI background. So this means there is a more job opportunities for you. And let's not forget the entrepreneur spirit. With AI tools, anyone can become a creator, whether it's launching a podcast, designing graphics, or automating business tasks. AI empowers us to innovate. So it's having a super smart assistant by your side. It is not taking your jobs. It's creating a new roles for you in each and every domain. Look, I get it. Change is daunting and fear. We all know, right? For a job loss is real. But here is the flip side as well. AI isn't just a job killer, it's a job creator. It's challenging us to adapt, learn, grow in a ways that can be lead to thriving future for both humans and technology. Now, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe bell icon button, and let me know in the comments how AI is impacting your field. And remember, the future isn't so something to fear; it's a something to shape. Okay. So until next time, stay curious and adaptable. Bye bye. Have a good one. See you in the next video.